In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Tasks plugin. Open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want to manage your to-dos. We'll start by installing the plugin that powers everything you're about to see. Look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, find Community Plugins. If you're prompted to allow community plugins, that simply means you're enabling third-party extensions to enhance Obsidian. Proceed if you're comfortable, and always review plugin details before installing. Next, use the plugin browser's search bar and type tasks. You're looking for the plugin named Tasks. Click into it, then click Install. Once the installation completes, Obsidian will add it to your vault so you can begin tracking to-dos right inside your notes. I'll show you screenshots as we go so you can follow the layout and buttons easily. Now that the plugin is installed, here's what it enables. You can create tasks anywhere in your vault, track them across all notes, query them to see exactly what you need, and mark them as done wherever you're working. A task in Obsidian is simply a markdown checklist item, so typing a dash, a space, and square brackets creates a task you can check off later. The beauty is that Task treats those checklist items as first-class to-dos with dates, recurrence, and filters you can search. To give you a sense of how this looks in practice, imagine a note for a client or project. For example, a note labeled Acme might contain several tasks related to that client. In another note, perhaps called Important Project, you can keep more tasks that are specific to that work. You don't have to move them anywhere, just write them where they naturally belong in your notes. Then create or open a central note called Tasks. This note doesn't store new work, instead it gathers everything from across your vault and displays it using queries. With the plugin's query syntax, you can filter to show all open tasks, tasks due today, tasks tagged with a specific label, or tasks from certain folders. As you check items off in any note, the query results update automatically, so this one dashboard stays accurate without manual copying. That's it. You opened Obsidian, installed the Tasks plugin from Community Plugins, and now you can track tasks across your entire vault, query them, and mark them done wherever you are. Use your everyday notes like Acme and Important Project to capture tasks, and rely on your tasks note to bring the big picture into focus.